A very cheerful morning to one and all present here. Today, we will discuss some case studies related to Chapter 1, covering the topics of concept of management, its functions, and features. Let's start. First is Amit Limited is able to achieve the target production of 5,000 units within the prescribed period. However, to achieve the target on time, additional rupees 40,000 were paid as overtime wages to employees. Do you think Amit Limited is effective and efficient in its working? The answer will be management of Amit Limited is effective as the target is achieved, but it is not efficient as target is achieved at a higher cost, which means additional 40,000 were paid to as overtime wages to employees. That's why it is not efficient. Next is Ashita and Lakshita are employees working in dazzling enterprises dealing in costume jewelry. The firm secured an urgent order for 1,000 bracelets, each at a cost of 100 per bracelet. Ashita was able to produce the required number within the stipulated time at the cost of rupees 55,000, whereas Lakshita was able to produce only 450 units at a cost of rupees 90 per unit. State whether Ashita and Lakshita are efficient and effective or not. Give reasons to justify your answer. The answer will be Ashita is effective but not efficient because she was able to produce 500 bracelets within the stipulated time but at a higher cost of rupees 100 per unit. On the other hand, Lakshita is efficient but not effective because though she was able to achieve a lower cost of rupees 90 per bracelet, but she could not produce the target production of 500 bracelets. She was able to produce only 450 bracelets. The next is Sanjana is the branch manager of ABC Handicrafts Private Limited. The company's objective is to promote the sales of Indian handloom and handicraft products. It sells fabrics, furnishings, ready-mades and household items that are made up of traditional Indian fabrics. Sanjana decides quantities, variety, color and texture of all the items and then allocates resources for their purchase from different suppliers. She appoints a team of designers and craftspeople in the company who developed some prints of bed covers in bright colors on silk. Although they looked very impressive, they were more expensive than they had planned to sell. Average customer could not afford to buy it. Praising their efforts, Sanjana suggested that they should keep the silk bed covers for special occasions like Diwali and Christmas and offer the cotton bed covers on regular basis to keep costs under control. Identify and state the functions of management which Sanjana performs by quoting the lines from the above para. So in this question, it is clear at last that we have to state the functions of management, right? So the answer will be first function of management is planning. So first of all, we will give the meaning of planning. That is, planning is the function of determining in advance what is to be done and who is to do it. So in this para, Sanjana decides in advance the quantities, variety, color and texture of all the above items. Second function of planning is organizing. Organizing is the management function of assigning duties, grouping tasks, establishing authority and allocating resources required to carry out a specific plan. So in this para, Sanjana allocates all the resources for their purchase from different suppliers. Our third function of management is staffing. Staffing function is concerned with obtaining, utilizing and maintaining a satisfied workforce. So in the para, Sanjana appoints a team of designers and craftspeople in the company. Fourth function of management is directing. Directing involves leading, influencing, and motivating employees to perform the tasks assigned to them. So from the para we will take lines praising their effort. Sanjana suggested that they should keep the silk bed covers for special occasions and offer the cotton bed covers on regular basis. So our last function of management is controlling. Controlling is the function of monitoring organizational performance towards the attainment of organizational control. So from the para we will take the lines. Sanjana offers the cotton bed covers on regular basis to keep the cost under control. Hope you understood the case studies. Do comment your doubts at the end of the video. Thank you.